The I2C to 8 channel solenoid driver. This can be used with Stemma QT, so you've got easy hookup. It can be solderless, because we can provide power to these little middle screw terminals, and then all of the solenoids that you can drive have their own screw terminals. 4 solenoids here, and then the others are sort of scattered around a little bit. Not a typewriter project. I love this project. I made a little mini version of this that I can demo. USB cable running to the computer. The Feather with USB host, RP2040. Then my keyboard is plugged into that. Data and power is going to the solenoid driver board. I have this little baby solenoid here. With every stroke that I type, we get the little solenoid driving. It is the I2C 8-channel solenoid driver board with Stemma QT.